Hi everyone, this is Rakesh. Welcome to VR Computer Education. Today we'll see some important topics in CPP, that is C++. So unit wise we'll see some important topics. First unit, object unit 1, object oriented programming and its features benefits. So you may ask question like this. So explain object-oriented programming and its features or benefits. So you have to explain what is object-oriented programming and its features and benefits. So next, make a difference between C and C++. So to know, so you should write the difference between C and C++. Next, control statements with examples. So here control statements or you have branching statements. Make it like if else, nested if, else if ladder, switch case and loop control statements. So they are called conditional control statements. If else if, nested if, right? Next switch case. Next loop control statements are for loop, do loop and do while loop, right? While loop, for loop, do while loop. So these comes under control statements. So you have to explain with their examples. So you may ask anything. So complete control statements he may not ask, but conditional statements means you have to explain that if else, nested if, next else if ladder. Next if you ask loop control statements, then while, do while and for loop, three loops. Next loop control statements also here, continuous and break. So based on the questions you have to explain the topic. Next operators with suitable program. So what is operator and explain its suitable programs like arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator. Next assignment operators, ternary operator, bitwise operators. Like this you have different types of operators you have to explain. Next tokens and data types. So what is token? So what are tokens in CPP and what is data type and what are the types of data types we have in CPP. Next structured versus object oriented programming. So what is structured programming and what is object oriented programming, both you have to explain. Next functions in CPP. So what is the function, how to declare a function, how to define a function and how to call a function and what are the types of functions, so that you have to explain. So this is what about unit 1. Next unit 2. So constructor and its type. So we have to explain what is constructor and what are the types of constructors, like a default constructor, parameterized constructor, copy constructor. So definition and example programs. Next same way destructors with example program. Next, garbage collections and dynamic memory allocation. So how the CPP will collect garbage collections and how the dynamic memory allocation taken place. Next, how to create class and object with one example program. Next, what is encapsulation and what is abstract data type. So these are some of the important questions in unit 2. So very important, that constructor and its types. Next we'll see unit 3. So in unit 3, first one, overloading topic. So in the overloading, you may ask constructor overloading or operator overloading with example. So overloading is very important. You may get in short or you may get in essay also. Next, inheritance. This is very and compulsory question. Inheritance and its types. So what is inheritance and what are its types? We have like single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Like that we have some types. You have to explain each and every inheritance and with example program. Next, What is abstract class with suitable examples. Next, in the same way, function overloading. Next, unary and binary operator overloading. Next, write a short notes on concept of reusability. We have concept of reusability. So that topic. Next, visibility modes like public, private, protected. So public, private, protected visibility modes. Next, data and type conversions. So how we convert data into one type to another type. So that things you have to explain. So this is what about unit 3, some important topics. Next, coming to unit 4. So in this polymorphism, so about polymorphism, so what is poly and what is morphism, so you have to explain. Next, some comparisons with overloading and overriding. Next, we have formatted console input output operations. Next, manipulators with some examples. Next, virtual function. Next, and its types here. So virtual function, virtual class, like stream classes. So these are the some of the important topics in unit 4. Next, coming to unit 5, exception handling. So exception handling, so how if we get any error while executing the program, how to handle those exceptions, means errors. We have to use some try or catch block. We have to catch the expressions. So that concept you have to explain with one program. Next, stack operations. So how to create a stack, how to delete a stack, like how to add elements, how to delete elements. So what is stack. So those things you have to explain with program. Next, in the same way, queue operations, the same way, linked list and its types. Next, here you have how to define member functions. So in a class we'll define some functions, right? So how to define those functions and how to access those member variables. So everything you have to explain if we ask these questions. Okay, these are the some of the important questions in CPP unit wise. Thank you.